Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can fix Facebook Marketplace if it isn't available to you. Firstly, open Play Store on your device to check whether or not the app is updated on your device. On the top search bar, type Facebook and tap on the search button. After that, tap on the app and here, as shown on the screen, tap on the update button in order to update the app. After the app has been updated, close the Play Store application and open the settings on your device. If you scroll downwards, you'll see an app option. Tap on that. Here again, tap on the first option, App Management, and search for Facebook. On this page, you'll have to tap on Storage Uses, but it may differ depending upon the model of phone that you use. Here, you'll see options to clear data or clear cache. Tap on the Clear Data option. Tap on the OK button. After that, all your data will be cleared. Similarly, go on your home page and open the Facebook application. Make sure you're logged into your account, and on the top right corner, you'll see a 3 lines icon. Tap on it. Then you'll see the Marketplace option, and if you tap on it, the Facebook Marketplace will be visible on your device. So, if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.